Thanks for swinging in for a little THG. Today I am planting some seeds in my new little garden box thing here that I got from my mom. And I wanted to share something that I've learned with you. Oyster shells, ground up oyster shells are an excellent resource to help add nutrients and help stabilize the pH level in your soil, in your dirt. It's the calcium in the oyster shells that actually helps to stabilize that pH level. It's also an excellent resource to help with the nitrate uptake into your plants, which is really good. Nitrate is what helps the plants really grow quicker and fuller, and they're just all around happier plants. So I got this beautiful little wrought iron hanging box from my mom a little while back, and I wondered what to do with it. And just the other day, I decided to hang this by my front door. And so that's what I did. Then I got some old burlap bags that I had out in my shed and cut them up and put them inside to hold the dirt in. And now I've added some compost and some soil and then just regular old garden dirt. And I'm mixing it all up in this little box thing I've made. So when you're adding your crushed up oyster shells, make sure you mix it in with the dirt really well and then water it so that it really becomes part of the dirt and your oyster shells don't blow away. You can see there's my burlap bag, and I just cut it up and folded it over. And it's ready for me to plant now. So I am planting a couple different kinds of sages, blue sages and a purple sage. And I'm also planting a beautiful little orange flower that is new to me. I've never heard of it, but it is edible. And I'm going to be planting that. I'm going to put the sages in the back because they're the tallest. Then I will put the little orange flowers in the middle, and then the creeping orange yellow thyme in the front. And it will grow up and over the edges and trail down the sides. The beautiful coloring on the sage plants that I'm planting are just awesome. Now, this is my little orange flower. I'm so excited for these. They are called Tip Top Alaska Salmon. The whole plant is edible. The leaves are edible, and they make a spicy green to add to salads. There's some beautiful little bluish toned petals that come out, and they are apparently perfect for adding to your fine edible flower designs. I'm excited to learn more about that. That sounds really fun. And the flowers themselves are edible as well. So apparently I have learned that both the leaves and the petals are packed with vitamin C, just high doses of vitamin C. They're very good for an antifungal and antibacterial, and they help with your immune system and strengthening that. They can help with sore throats and common cold symptoms like that. So that's really fun to know that they can be enjoyed and eaten in like salads, but they can also have medicinal uses. So if any of you have used seeds from Baker Creek, leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on them. Did you have good success? Do you buy from Baker Creek every year? Or exactly what do you do? And where do you get your seeds from? Leave a comment below and let me know. It never ceases to amaze me how so many amazing things for our health and our strength and to feed us, nourish us, come from the tiniest little seed. Look at the big trees around us and bushes, shrubs, flowers, herbs, plants, and they come from tiny little seeds like this. It just goes to show you once again that it is the little things in our life that make the biggest difference, that will bring us the greatest rewards and will bring us the most happiness if we just acknowledge them and use them the way that they need to be used and tend them and nurture them. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. And I hope you all have a great day. And I'll keep you updated as my little kitchen herb garden grows.